My name's Aaron Graber with Ventrac, and today we're going to do some stump grinding. Stump grinding is a service that adds value to your customers, but also adds an immense amount of profit to your bottom line. Contractors who especially already own a Ventrac can add an attachment for a relatively low cost, and it gives them another option when they're on properties that have stumps. It allows a whole nother revenue stream for somebody who might be there for other reasons already. Lots of contractors have customers who are very particular about their properties and they like to keep things nice and neat. And stump grinding oftentimes sounds like a very industrial job. You know, you're going to come in, you're going to make a huge mess, it's going to be a disaster. How's my yard going to recover? And really the Ventrac stump grinder is about minimizing that impact. So when you go in, you do the job, you can clean up and get out of there. And customers really appreciate that fact where you can go in, you can do the job, and it's nice, clean, neat, simple, and on to the next. So you're going to be able to get onto a 30-degree slope and grind a stump. So if you've got trees in hard areas, or you've got trees in areas that other equipment wouldn't be able to make it to safely, a Ventrac oftentimes will allow you to do that. The Ventrac stump grinder is also considerably smaller than a dedicated piece or even most walk-behinds to put on a trailer and trailer to your sites along with the other equipment that you're using for the day.